years, this gentleman has been away, not, how should I put this? He not only plays music, but he helps to serve our people through different ways and means. And he's been working for our people for a very long time. We are so proud of him. As far as music goes, he is a Naho Ku Hano Hano Award winner, and his latest release is out. He breathes new life into mele from our kupuna. Fascinating mele. But he also has originals of his own. So he's a songwriter, composer, singer. And ladies and gentlemen, if you have not picked up his latest CD, Ahuvale, it is inside of the stores now. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Chad Takatsugi.
Makani hali alao apalama Mae ka hanua o ka palai e ho'o hiwa nai kaulanga pua Hili ia me ke ala o ka maile I wehi ka hiko nou e kalani Uoro se kau kahi ka ui aloha Ila ia ko aloha no na tamalei Kuihi no e I kuumaka E ini ka pono o Kalahui E ia ka puana I lohe ia Kule I rosea o hale kala Puana hou mai ko inoa No Pauahi lani nui la E o mai E ia ka puana I lohe ia Kule I rosea o hale kala Puana hou mai ko inoa No Pauahi lani nui la E o mai Aloha, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ho'olaulea. Like Billy and Mele said, my name is Chad Takatsugi, and it's my pleasure to be here once again on the campus of Kapalama. I am a graduate, I'm a proud graduate of this school, graduated in the mid-90s, 1995 to be exact, and actually as I look around, I'm happy to see my classmates, people who went to school here while I was at school here. Mele, you know, she wants to make fun of Tracy, but Mele was a senior when I was a freshman. Let's just put that into perspective, okay? So when I was a freshman, looking at the seniors, and you know how the seniors look 30 years old when they're seniors? Yeah, she looked like that back then, and she was, oh, hi, Mele. Oh, hi. Yeah, no, remember when you were a senior director and you were directing Maikai Kawaii? Oh, I was like, oh, that old lady, get him. She's so spry for her age. But no, coming back here brings a lot of memories back, and I'm glad to see everybody out there enjoying Ho'olaulea. This place is always very, very crazy when during this time of year, because as soon as this is Pau, we have song contest coming up in a couple of weeks, right? So I know everybody is scrambling to kind of finish out the year, but mahalo for having me back. It's my pleasure to be here. If you guys haven't noticed, or if you guys aren't familiar, I play a lot of hula music. A lot of hula music. The expectation is, if I play a song that's hulaable and you know the hula, like, do the math, yeah? It just happens naturally. I think everybody would feel very, very honored if you wanted to come up and share a hula with you guys, okay? All right, so that first song, gotta explain that first song that comes off of the new album that I released back in October, specifically written by myself and my classmate Kahikina de Silva for Pauahi. And I know everybody here has a strong connection to Keli'i Pauahi, and the reason behind the composition of that song is we wanted to add to the library of songs that honor her name. So, what more appropriate place is there than here at Kamehameha School Campus to sing that song. Another song that comes off of that album is a new composition, another new composition, which speaks of the valley right down from Kapalama, a place where my family, we make our home now. This next song, entitled Aloha Nu'uanu. Aloha ku aina, aloha wale, aloha ku aina, aloha wale. Aloha nu'uanu entitled Aloha Nu'uanu.
Attention shoppers, attention shoppers. Quick announcement I've been asked to make. If you are exiting the area, this is just like being on the airlines, yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you where the exits are in order for you to go back down to the parking shuttles.